Right, out today, new location, Cambridge, just down the road from me in all fairness. Joined by quite a few people, as you can see. There's Glenn and Marie over there.
Hello everyone, have a good day, stay safe, mag the fish and let's find some stuff.
That's it, bumped into the locals. And down there we've got Rusty Nuts, it's AJ, Aaron, some more people. So yes, we're on a river for a change, so let's see what we find. Oh yeah, one more, there he is, look. Right, let's see what we can find. Against you. Oh. Anchor?
It's part of an anchor. Yeah, it is an anchor. Don't throw it, I'll have it if you don't want it.
So there we go, on my first throw I've got an anchor. There we go. There we go, a couple of random poles. Some more random bits of metal. Go on then, I'll do your voiceover. There we go, AJ on his first throw, he got himself a road lamp. Well, the remains of one anyway. There we go, a little combination padlock. Got a happy pill. Try my handle out.
I'm not, Nigel is, he's got there is a chain that runs along the bottom.
Oh.
When's the stuck as well? You know, never mind, man. Might have to go a different angle.
Now I've got the crane, we're alright. Ready? Yeah. Getting bubbles.
I really got the rest of that car that
Flipping hell.
it's going to go.
You've got bubbles in over.
No, it goes a bit. It's going.
Go away. People ringing me at this time in the morning. Try this angle. We're going to need a few more bods on this.
I've left me, it's that new rope.
Blame it on the rope.
Come on.
Very heavy. Jesus Christ,
Only a bike.
Only push bike.
Attached to something.
Yeah.
A bike.
Yeah.
Must have been stuck on
You can't be
something.
kidding. Must be made of lead.
Just a push bike.
You're underneath. That was well and truly deep.
There's two.
There's two.
Push bikes. He doesn't do him one once, does he?
No, you know I don't do singles.
He's going to be third.
Three. There's three.
Oh god.
Oh Jesus. Don't do things by halves, do you?
No, not that magnet.
Pull up one bike, you have two bikes at once.
So that took a bit of work, that did, because it took a few of us to release it, but as per usual, it weren't one push bike, it was two. And that was proper stuck in there. But yeah, two bikes linked together. There we go, got the remains of a push bike seat. Yeah.
They ain't been in there long.
There we go. A set of bolt croppers. Bit seized up, but there we go. Bit of cast iron. Gutter in, I think. So, got an old main adapter. Bit of random bar. You like this. Nicola! So we have Dudley dippers and dippers and scrappers turned up. Aaron wants to present you with something.
Oh, not again.
So,
Hey, I like these. Oh, look at that. Look at the new mobile phone. I needed an upgrade.
it is a real one as well.
It's a real one.
Yeah.
It's not one of them prison ones.
Yeah, it is.
I hope you cleaned it first.
It's been in a Birmingham canal, it's sterilised. So there we go, she's now gone all modern. Look, she's got herself a new phone. Now we're on the chain. Because now I've got the...
Any spare magnets kicking about? Was there an engine?
I think we're going to have to get a few people just try and drag it this way.
I've got an Evo, that's free.
Are we feeling strong? Got a complete bloody engine.
Oh, no you haven't.
What's the rest of that car?
We will have in a minute because it's coming out.
Got a battery nudge?
Will the winch be any good on it?
My Evo.
I think we're going to need bigger ones for this. I've got a battery. Complete bloody engine. This bloody magnet and engines.
Stay off it. Not so bad on that chain.
Oh, another bit of gutter in it.
Okay, I'll leave you.
I brought the windshield. It's in the car in your drive.
Oh, there's a fence there, Rusty. There. I felt it go. Yeah, that's it.
On it?
Yeah.
I'll go get back through.
Oh, that's off.
We had a good solid grip the first time.
Yeah, 'cause we went under the flywheel, didn't we?
Yeah. You on it? Shit.
Ah, yeah, I'm on it. Make a set chain.
Hang on then. We're on it.
Should we just try and get a few people on the rope behind you and see if we can...
Pull it up.
Yeah.
Rusty's on. Let it go down, Rusty. You might fall off the chain. Yeah, you hold the chain, Rusty. Don't hold it too far. Oh, I'm off again. Some more of that rope. Oh, it's tight.
On the winch, I
I don't know, I think if we get a few people on it pulling on the rope, we'll be alright. We've just got to get a good grip on it.
Scuba diver. Scuba diver comes down.
God's sake.
Something on it. All coming up.
Right, on the flywheel.
Right, if we get a couple more magnets on it. What do you reckon? Get a couple more magnets on it?
Yeah. You want me now, I think? AJ, go and get my Evo. Because the flywheel's there. We can get another one on the flywheel.
Yeah. Yeah, look, he's on top of you.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can see the flywheel, so as long as we can keep them separate.
Look a little bit more so the flywheel's visible.
Tie it off or something for a minute. We'll get some
No, I've got
No, you're right.
I've got locked at the moment.
Probably the old sewage pipe.
Careful of the tripod, AJ.
You ain't kidding, you got an engine. Any more? Mind hang up.
Any more evolutions? Right, go on in.
That flipping chain.
It's the chain that's the problem.
The engines.
Come on, Rob, we're trying to shift our scrap.
That's not good.
Go on that chain down there.
Hey, Wally. Fingers, no fingers. Just shout out to the finger strap.
Are we going to get it up over this? Once it's set there, we're alright. We're going to tie it off.
So you've got the engine. And
Bloody engines.
Anyway.
yeah.
Find the engines.
That's no good for the hole.
Only downside is this fence, isn't it?
Yeah.
We've got to get over the top of this rail now, haven't we? Right, we're stuck with magnets. I've got the engine, pull the magnets off. Hang on, put a lashing around it.
I've got it in my hand.
It's not even heavy.
Here you go.
I was going to say, I've got a scrap in mine. I've got it, look, it's balanced. Pull your magnet.
What's that?
Some Glenn's makeup, isn't it?
It's like a lightning rod at the moment.
You want this one off as well? I'm not sure at the minute because that's the only thing that
Ain't got a clue.
we're not stuck to the fence with that one. Can you get under the flywheel?
Watch fingers.
That's it.
You got it.
That's why we're calling the train.
Didn't like that boat engine, did they?
This will be fun.
Are you going to show that for the camera?
So, there we go. Evolution Extreme once more. Likes engines. Took a lot of lifting that did. Get that up, but there we go. A broken one.
No, it's just a normal pin.
No.
Oil filter, dizzy drive. 4 bellows and pattern, it's a Pinto.
So probably a Pinto engine. So not only has he got a thing for engines, he's got a thing for Ford engines. There we go. Tinfoil. There we go, it's got an old saucepan lid as well. Old brake lever. So here comes AJ. Not only did he get one road lamp, he got a pair of them. There we go. Yeah, they're sort of complete. And Aaron's got a great find.
Yep.
And the old trusty scaffold tube. There's AJ with number 3. Look at that. Never find things in ones, this lot.
It's all petrol.
Paraffin. Right, so
Got a hole in your bucket.
there's definitely an hole in my bucket there. and Aaron's on the fishing lures. 3 types in one pull. Oh, hang on, we're going to get a correction here. Come on, AJ, correct it.
It was me who found the fishing lure.
I stand corrected. Another random piece of cast. Another wildlife on that. So I've got a reflector. So AJ's found an old gas heater. Hang on, slow it down a bit. There we go. Bit of help from his dad, but still he's fine. There we go, it's old gas heater. No, put it in there. Another manky pole. Easy way of putting it.
AJ's Weaver.
There we go. AJ's got a load of rebar. But, so AJ's got himself an old pram wheel. Or a torture star. Keys. Aaron's got himself a set of keys. And a load of rebar ties. So we've got a set of gears off a bike.
I've got a stainless cowl.
And I've got a bike light.
Jump over. Yeah, it will be.
There you go, it's got an old clamp.
I've got that. That's it. Save them.
There we go, I've got a cardigan and some rebar. So Alex got an old VW wheel cap. That's a cool find. And I found a dirty hole, and apparently Steve likes these.
Oh, I love a dirty hole.
Is it your glory hole? So AJ's found a knife, missing the handle, but it's an old one. Aaron found an old pair of rusty pliers. Remains of an old D-lock.
Go down there, and that is solid steel.
There we go, solid steel bar, found by AJ. There we go, it's an old pedal head. There we go, so we've got a UJ and prop shaft. Peaky dippers, there's Marie, and Glenn. Let's go and Glenn for a change. Look at him, he thinks he's Mr. Muscle. Pinky dippers.
Just two what?
Pinky dippers.
Pinky dippers.
Right, so AJ's found that. Looks like an old military torch or some sort of services one, but it's what they call a periscope torch. Nice find.
I was making sure the bank fall.
Keeping that. Right, there we go. So, whose is that?
AJ's.
AJ's. He's got a trowel. He's got a lure. He's got a scaffold clamp.
Got a happy cam.
A bike hub. He's got just about everything on there. Look at all that lot. That's a mess, that is. There you go, it's got a pair of fence pins. Bike lock. And a Pro Cell battery. So we've got another bike lock. And we've got a UJ. Piece of bent bar and another piece of bent bar. That is an old crate.
That is an old crate.
Yeah, metal one.
Oh, that's cool. That's cool, isn't it?
I've got a milkman's crate.
Mum's going to the easiest to rip in half.
Just put in the bin now.
That's a barrier tape.
Well, there we go. So I've got an old crate. We believe it's an old oil bottle crate. It's metal. It wouldn't be a milk crate because it's too heavy, but I reckon that's probably one for the old oil bottles. Well, that's a really good find, that is. A wigwam base for Nicola.
We've got a bike.
Is it a rider?
Kind of. It's going round.
Got a frying pan. Well, not a whole one. Old rusty bolt. Motorbike cog. There we go. Remains of an old sign. Yeah. So I've got a fence pin, bit of rebar. shopping trolley and some angle line. Great, and a handlebar. There you go, old padlock, just some scrap.
Has he got the rest of your tank?
Cheers, mate.
Sorry. I thought you had a belt then.
Oh, I've got an anchor.
What'd you call it? You got a thing for anchors, haven't you?
Yeah.
Dad, why are you going to like a magnet?
I'm not. Oh.
Look at that, what an anchor. So that's my second anchor today, look at that. Hold on. Not with this magnet.
I think you might be struggling to ride that rider.
Very thin frame one. That's one of them lightweight ones as well. Don't feel very light, but
Also, nothing to do with the minute. Oh, have this.
yeah, me too, mate. I weren't getting left behind.
You won't get left behind, you thought you'll catch up. You've got to try and catch up now, have you?
That's my third one.
That's the third one, is it?
Yeah.
I've had two.
Go on, get catching up then.
Now. You've got to do one more to get.
There we go. That's my third bike of the day. Definitely not a rider, that one. And Aaron's got himself a trigger. Hang on a minute. There we go, you see it now. Trigger off a toy gun.
Interesting. Have a good day.
Right, there we go. So I've got a really old fire poker. Brass end on it. Bit crooked, but we'll get Glenn on that. There we go. And AJ's pulled up a razor blade. It's a Persona.
Yeah, you got more?
There we go. Got another one of those 4-spike things. Aaron got himself a mop. Mooring hook. Got a spade handle and some sort of clamp. Look at that for a file, Steve. That's a. There we go. And AJ found himself a really big foil. I just said that. Look, he's getting all paranoid now. Foil.
AJ's file.
Look.
He's going to need his own channel too.
So we've got a key. Some more keys. And we've got gorgeous grandma lost her keys.
Right, stand.
Got a stand-off push bike.
More the prop.
More of the prop shaft. Another bike lock.
Ninja star.
Ninja throwing star. That's my one.
I was going to say, that's a pet for that one.
Big old bigot. Bugger, isn't it?
It is, isn't it?
Old battery. Look at that for a lure. That is huge. Well, I bet not going to put that near Nicholas. You think it's Jaws.
Happy can.
Got a happy can.
Some wee bar. It is a lot of fun.
There we go. So got the remains of an old purse.
Maybe that'll go.